Every bottle of Coca-Cola begins its journey in fields like these.
Skilled hands carefully harvest the sugarcane, the heart of sweetness.
The harvested cane is transported swiftly to processing centers. From field to facility, every stalk follows a precise path. Pure water is sourced carefully, forming the foundation of the beverage.
Every raw material converges at the central facility. Precise measurement ensures consistent quality for production. Precise measurement ensures consistent quality for production.
Only the finest ingredients are selected to enter the process line.
The cane is prepped meticulously, ready for extraction.
Extraction begins with care, ensuring maximum flavor capture.
And so, the raw ingredients start their journey into the heart of the Coca-Cola factory. Once extracted, the sweetness moves under controlled conditions. Temporary storage stabilizes the raw syrup before further processing. Purified water is transported with constant monitoring. All components arrive on synchronized schedules.
Strict checks protect product integrity from the start.
Precision docking ensures safe material transfer. Bulk syrup enters the factory under sealed conditions. Flavor components are handled with controlled care. Materials transition from transport to processing. Every transfer is logged and verified. Smart routing prepares each ingredient for its next stage.
Now inside, the real transformation begins.
This is where scale, precision, and concision and consistency converge. Every movement outside feeds the rhythm inside. The production line begins at the threshold. Trained teams maintain continuity across every shift. Inside, the factory operates as one connected system.
Fluids travel through carefully engineered pathways.
Arrival is only the beginning of preparation. Cleanliness protects both product and process.
Administration to start the agent glass.
Central oversight keeps the system balanced.
Flow is constant, deliberate, and controlled.
Transcription. The environment is engineered for precision.
With entry complete, preparation now takes center stage.
Before transformation, purity is established. Every surface is cleansed under controlled force. Nothing is wasted without purpose. Motion ensures uniform cleaning. Human eyes add a critical layer of judgment. Technology assists where speed matters. Only approved materials continue forward. Water quality is monitored in real time. Clean inputs are now ready for processing. Liquid purity is refined further.
Approval signals readiness for transformation.
With cleanliness assured, processing begins. Core processing begins with precise blending. Exact quantities define consistent taste. Uniform motion creates uniform flavor. Temperature remains tightly regulated.
Human oversight fine-tunes automation.
Signature flavors join the blend. Pressure locks flavor into every drop. Quality is checked without stopping flow. The heart of Coca-Cola is now formed. Consistency is measured in milliseconds. The process moves forward without pause.
Now, transformation truly begins.
This is where syrup becomes a beverage. Temperature prepares the liquid for carbonation. Carbon dioxide is compressed under strict control. Bubbles are born under pressure.
Balance is achieved through motion.
Precision protects the signature fizz. Every batch is verified instantly. The drink now carries its iconic character. Stability is maintained before bottling. Only controlled gas remains. Perfect timing feeds the next stage. Now, automation takes command. Automation now drives the factory's heartbeat. Every bottle begins perfectly clean. Clean containers protect the drink inside. Precision filling happens in fractions of seconds. Technology keeps every fill exact.
Sealing locks in freshness instantly.
Every seal is verified automatically.
Identity is applied with flawless accuracy.
Machines see what humans might miss.
Only perfection moves forward.
Automation keeps the flow balanced. With automation complete, finishing begins. The final refinements begin here.
Even the smallest details are verified.
Presentation matters as much as taste. Moisture is removed instantly. Traceability is built into every unit.
Traceability is built into every unit.
Every mark is checked.
Order prepares them for packaging. Individual bottles become a unit.
Cooling locks the shape in place.
Precision continues to the end. Before release, quality has the final word. Quality control is the final safeguard.
Every batch faces random scrutiny.
Every batch faces random scrutiny.
Fizz levels are precisely measured.
Human senses still play a role.
Taste must match the standard.
Safety is non-negotiable.
Packaging must protect the product.
Data confirms readiness.
Authorization completes inspection.
Only approved product moves forward. Now ready for the world. Automation prepares each unit for distribution.
Protection is added for the journey ahead. Every pallet becomes traceable.
Finished products wait in controlled storage.
Distribution begins on demand.
Orders are staged for departure. Each shipment is carefully loaded.
Final checks ensure safe transport. And this is how modern factories produce Coca-Cola from start to finish.
From factory floor to the world. Scale, precision, and consistency working together. Subscribe